In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily turn off Windows Defender. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you're going to go over to your settings. Once you're in your settings, what you're going to do now is you're going to click on the update and security. And then once you do that, click on the Windows security option. Now once you have done that, what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on the virus and threat protection option. Once you do that, scroll down and click on the Manage Settings option. And you can easily turn off the real-time protection option, and this should turn off your Windows Defender. So you can easily click the Yes option and your Windows Defender will be successfully turned off. So that's how you can easily turn off your Windows Defender. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.